Hello everyone. So this is, I think, episode 9 of catching up with the Tat-a-long. I've been trying to do kind of weekly, mostly weekly ones. But hey, I am all caught up through, I think, March 10th. Let me just double check here. Yes, so that catches me up all the way through March 10th. So look at all of the colors that I have had the fun of using, and I'm getting into some of, look at that bright yellow, this bright yellow, so I'm really starting to get quite the color range. And we have had some crazy temperatures. It was 79 degrees in St. Louis one day, and that is this bright yellow orange. Very pretty. But anyway, I don't know how you've been doing with your blanket along, but here is, of course, my lovely color chart again. All 18 of these gorgeous colors. In the Olympus, I am using the large Olympus. It's the biggest one. It's definitely bigger than a 10. It's probably edging more into like an 8. It's not as big as a 3 for certain. So anyway, love this stuff. Especially love the color range. There, isn't it so pretty? I just love how this is coming out. So, and you can really see, like, I'm starting to get quite a chunk now because we are a lot of days in. I think I'm on week 10 for my knit along blanket squares already. And, you know, I'm many days into my Tat-a-long. Well, I guess I can count in 12, 24, 48, 60. Is that right? 12, 24, 36. 12, 24, 36. There we go. 48, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 69 days in. That's just crazy to me. I can't believe that we are coming up on, on our first quarter. And don't forget that you need to use that hashtag Black Sheep Fiber Emporium and hashtag Black Sheep Pearly Pirates so that we can find your entry for our quarterly contest. I haven't had a ton of entries yet, and every photo counts. So you just need to tag us. We will pull one winner each quarter, and it will be something related to, related to what you're doing. So, you know, if you're a tatter, it'll be tatting stuff. If you're a crocheter, crochet stuff. So, you know, we try to be as multi-craftual and accepting as possible. Anyway, make sure that you're using that hashtag. I keep forgetting to tell my knitters. I need to remind the knitters to do that. But look, it's looking so nice. I keep trying to remember to post in the Facebook group. Sometimes I remember, sometimes I don't. I am doing my videos though, so I'm doing my videos to keep you all updated. So if you haven't subscribed or told your friends about us, please remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Make sure that you have liked and followed our page, and that you follow us on TikTok and Instagram as well. I'm putting up stuff all of those different places. I have a fun little how-to tatting video coming out soon, and then I will be doing some more how-to Mediterranean knotted lace things, and then we're going to get back into some more how to knit and how to spin and how to weave and all of those fun things that I like to do. I need to do some sewing videos with you. I've been working on a project for a friend, so you know, I just have all kinds of fun things to share with you. And just make sure that you are posting and tagging us so that you get entered for the contest. Make sure that you followed and liked us and subscribed to us in all the fun places. Don't forget to check out our newsletter and sign up for that as well. I only send one a month. And make sure that you go to blacksheepfiberemporium.com because we have so much fun new stuff. We've been trying to clean up the website, make it easier to shop. We've been working on our inventory, trying to make sure it's as accurate as possible because somehow it always seems to be, you know, this time of year, we need to clean up and redo things. I have a giant box from Japan that is on its way with all kinds of, you know, lovely Japanese goodies coming. So anyway, and because this is my tatting video, I want to remind you all, I will be at Shuttlebirds. I am teaching at Shuttlebirds. I'm teaching 5 different classes at Shuttlebirds. Can I remember all of them? Probably not, but we're going to be working with lotus rings in one class, wire tatting in one class. We're learning all about lots and lots of picots in another class. What else do I have left? we are doing 3 different joins in one class. So we're going to play with 3 different joins to make a spiral center for our tatting. And there's my 5th one. We're going to make chickens and eggs and who knows what else. I'm still designing patterns for it because, you know, it's fun to do that. So it's called Poultry for All. I don't know. What can I say? I'm obsessed with the chickens and the ducks right now. So anyway, make sure that you sign up for the Shuttlebirds workshop. You go register. It's just a weekend. It's a lot of fun. It's a camp. It's considering that, you know, you can get all of your meals and stay at the camp and take your classes. It's very reasonably priced for what it is. Anyway, and it's a ton of fun, and you get to stay with lots of other tatters, and you talk tatting the entire weekend. So yeah, just throwing that out there. Anyway, it's a Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So we come in on Thursday night, and then we're there Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and you leave Sunday morning. So anyway, just mentioning that. But I'm going to make this short and quick because this was really just a check-in to show you like how I'm coming along and to remind you to go subscribe and make sure that you're posting and you're tagging us and you're telling us what you're doing. So, you know, this is how I'm coming. I'm really pleased with everything. I haven't hit any like giant snags yet either, so that's nice. I'm sure that I will find one now because, you know, I mentioned it. So anyway, I will see you all later. Please take care of yourself mentally, emotionally, craftually, physically. Those are the 4 things I always say, right? And make sure that you're doing that crafting at least 15 minutes a day. I've definitely spent more than 15 minutes today catching up on this lovely tatted table runner or whatever I make it. But I've also been working on some other things, working on the Mediterranean knotted lace sunflower and working on the 1 square a week for my knitted blanket along. So yeah, just make sure that you are doing that little bit of crafting every day because I know it helps my mental health and I can't imagine that it would do anything but help yours. So please take care of yourself, keep working on your tatting, and don't forget to tag us and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye.